Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get free courses on Udemy. So simply in order to do this, just you have to type this in your search box, this URL udemy.com or courses/free. So after that you will move to this page. Simply just scroll down and now here you can see these courses are free. So you can also apply the filters to check the free courses. So here you can see these all courses are free. So here you can see the 33 pages available. So here you can also find by categories, levels, languages. So in this way you can get free courses on Udemy. So simply just move to next page. So these all courses are free. So just you have to visit this link, and after that here you will find the free courses. Like here you can see the photography fundamentals for beginners. So simply you can download this course or complete this course in free. So where you can see we have opened this course. So here you can see free tutorial available. So free courses. So in this way you can find free courses on Udemy.